Welcome to the Credolab React Native SDK integration tutorial. Today, we'll guide you through the simple process of integrating the core module into your application. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully integrated core module ready to collect and upload data effortlessly. Let's get started. Credolab SDK for React Native is a set of libraries designed to capture a client's digital footprint from a mobile device and upload it to the Credolab web service for future processing of scorecards and insights. The Credolab SDK is a multi-modular library with multiple components. The main component, called the core module, serves as the foundation for additional optional modules. Now, let's see how to integrate the core module into our application. First, let's declare dependencies. Visit docs.credolab.com, select React Native and go to the integration page. Navigate to Step 1 and copy core module dependency into your project. Replace the module version placeholder with the latest core module version. Now let's add a Credolab repository into our project. Create a .npmrc file to access Credolab packages. Copy and paste provided file content from Credolab documentation. Finally, run npm install. Once the packages are installed, let's declare the native Android and iOS repositories. For Android, copy all repositories section into project's build.gradle file. Replace the token with the repository token provided to you by Credolab Manager. For iOS, copy CocoaPod's repository into pod file of your project. Replace the token with the repository token provided to you by Credolab Manager. And finally, run pod install. Build and collect. Let's create an instance of Credo App Service, the main class and the core module. Go back to documentation and copy import statement to our project. Then, let's create async collect method and create the Credo App Service. Finally, we can call our collectAsync method. But first, let's print the output into the console. To invoke collect method, we've added the collect button to our UI. Let's run our application. Our application is up and running, and now we can click on collect button. Perfect. You've successfully collected your first dataset. Upload dataset. For simplicity, we'll use a simple fetch function that accepts several important arguments. Let's replace console log statement with upload method call. First required parameter to fill is server URL. This can be either a proxy server or a direct Credolab server URL. Second, the auth key. Auth key is a security credential that allows upload operations on the Credolab server. Both the server URL and auth key are provided by your Credolab manager. Third is the collected data, and fourth, the unique reference number. A uniquely created alphanumeric value used to mark each data set. Now let's add a simple check to our query and output the result to the console. Finally, let's run our app. Click the Collect button. Our dataset is successfully uploaded. That's it. You have successfully integrated the core module into your Android application. Please check out our other tutorials on how to integrate additional modules. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our team.